Welcome, here I've got Doogee S88 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with the brand watermark here. So by using this button we can turn on the camera watermark or turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on to see how it looks like at the real picture. So let me take a photo. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. By tapping on it we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo with the watermark in the left corner at the bottom. Doogee S88 Pro Auto Intelligent Camera. And of course when we don't need it we can go back to the camera app, then to the right corner and use this button to turn it off. So for now when we take another picture the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.